Craving something delicious, healthy, and super easy to make? Try these chocolate dry fruit puddles. Indulge in the ultimate homemade treat. Chocolate dry fruit puddles. Crunchy, nutty, and perfectly sweet. Easy to make and irresistibly delicious, they're perfect for gifting, snacking, or satisfying your sweet cravings. These bite-sized delights are loaded with dry fruits and rich, silky chocolate. Watch till the end for step-by-step instructions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Chocolate and dry fruit puddles, a recipe. Easy homemade sweet treat. What makes them special? No baking required, just melt, mix, and set. Loaded with the goodness of almonds, cashews, pistachios, raisins, and more. A quick festive sweet that looks beautiful and tastes heavenly. Perfect for kids' snacks or after-meal desserts. Preparation time 10 minutes. Setting time 20 to 30 minutes. Watch the full video for step-by-step instructions on melting the chocolate and shaping perfect little puddles. Pro tips: use high-quality chocolate for the best taste. Store in an airtight container in a cool place. Makes a wonderful edible gift for every occasions. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chocolate Puddles. Make chocolate puddles at home in an easy way. Let's get begin. Take white chocolate. Use high-quality chocolate for the best taste. Break the chocolate and add it to a microwave-safe bowl. Always melt the chocolate in short intervals. Microwave for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. Stir well to avoid burning. Microwave it until completely melted. Add some food colour, it's totally optional. Ingredients you'll need: dark milk chocolate, as per your preference, dry fruits, almonds, cashews, pistachios, raisins, etc. Optional toppings: seeds, dried berries, or a pinch of sea salt. Now it's time to make chocolate puddles. Now place spoonful melted chocolate on parchment paper, keeping some distance between them, and shape each into a disc. Here, I'm using plain white melted chocolate as well. Add more chocolate if required. Now it's time to sprinkle your favourite toppings over each disc. Add almonds. Customise with nuts, seeds, or dry fruits as per your preference. Chop dried figs. Pistachios. Pumpkin or any seeds you love. Rose petals to look more colourful. Dried apricot. Chopped dates. Milk chocolate beans or gems. apricot. Dried berries. Add any dry fruits you love or you have. Raisins. Sprinkle some star or any shape sprinkles. Some almond flakes. Our chocolate discs are now ready to set. Place them in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes until they're firm. Our chocolate puddles set beautifully. Once set, gently remove the chocolate discs from the parchment paper. And they're ready to enjoy. Store them in an airtight container in a cool place or refrigerate for longer freshness. Chocolate melting and shaping method. Repeat the same procedure for dark chocolate. Choose your chocolate. You can use dark, milk, or white chocolate according to your preference. Break the chocolate into small pieces. Microwave it in short intervals, 20 seconds. Stir. "20 seconds. Stir again. 15 seconds if needed. Stir. Repeat if necessary until smooth. Pro tip: melting in intervals prevents the chocolate from burning. Our chocolate has completely melted. Melt milk, chocolate buttons as well. It's assembling time. On a parchment paper, spread a thin, round layer of the melted chocolate. Place a spoonful of melted chocolate on a parchment paper. Keep some distance between each. Shape each into a small, thin, round disc using the back of the spoon. Add more melted chocolate if required. Now it's time to add favourite toppings. Customise as per your taste. I'm placing dried figs, almonds. Sprinkle your favourite, any kind of dry fruit or seeds on top. Chopped dates. Soft apricot. Dried apricot. Mixed seeds. Almond flakes. Dried berries. Star sprinkles. Some more sprinkles. Almond flakes. Set the chocolate. Let the chocolate discs set in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes until they're firm. Remove and store. Gently lift the discs off the parchment paper. They are set beautifully. You can wrap them. Wrap it as shown. Now, you can even start your own chocolate dry fruit puddles business with these delicious treats. Look at how beautifully these chocolate dry fruit puddles have turned out. Wrap it as shown. can individually wrap each chocolate disc in cling film, then place them in a container. Store them in an airtight container in a cool place, or refrigerate for longer freshness. A delightful combination of rich melted chocolate, crunchy nuts and chewy dry fruits. Easy to make and irresistibly delicious. They're perfect for festivals, parties, gifting, or just indulging in a guilt-free sweet snack at home. Perfect for gifting. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick and tasty homemade treats. Stay connected for more easy dessert recipes. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.